Mountain of Roses, everyone. This is my e-portfolio. First is Journalist Hunt. Name of the part of the newspaper. Front page, folio, news article, feature article, byline, editorial cartoons, letter to the editor, international news, advertisement, business section, and entertainment lifestyle. What are its important features or characteristics? It gives importance of what's going on in our society. What are some of the examples? Reverie, rape, festival, rally, free ride, landslide, etc. What is the full definition of the newspaper? Free release, editor, scoba, front page, folio, news article, feature article, byline, editor, editorial cartoons, letter to the editor, editorial, international news, advertisement, business section, entertainment, or lifestyle. Next is creating time. This, as I can remember, creating time is when this is the where we create article. Full politics came out. The exchange of messages on social media due to the heat of upcoming elections on May 9, 2022. Meanwhile, the physical campaign of the national and local candidates, especially here in Cebu, which is leading the way, both reach province of the country. We cannot blame that many fanatics in their opposition to the candidate of political cause many relations to be damaged due to humiliating broken words. Do not exaggerate the emotion of banning a candidate. The relationship created over the years should not be ruined by the passing election. It is difficult to restore the will, especially if the defending candidate is defeated. Another argument will create if there is no humiliation of pride. Here in Cebu, the focus of the campaign on the national candidate is intense. It has been proven that the candidates or the candidates who have got a large majority vote in Cebu will surely win, just as the previous president and vice president only got a majority vote of the Cebuanos. Because of this honor, Cebu politics is happy. Regularly visited by candidates, hold grand rallies like the Unity Tandem Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. and Sara Duterte Carpio the South Road Properties (SRP) in Cebu City on Monday, April 18. It was attended by at least 300,000 people, created severe tightness in the top. However, their so-called festival rally ended badly. This Thursday, April 21, the tandem of Lenny Robredo and Francisco Kiko Pangilinan will hold a grand rally in North Reclamation area of Mandawi City, so the heat of the Cebu political pot is now overflowing. Next is short story. I put images in the short story. I can read all of it. This is my artwork, my work. Watch and familiarize. As I can remember, the instructions here is to compare Harry Potter and the Lord of the Rings. Both of both Lord of the Rings and Harry Potter take the reader into imaginary world of intriguing magical creatures with dark, mysterious forces lurking in every corner. Both are fantasy. Thought the Lord of the Rings is usually high fantasy while Harry Potter is modern fantasy and juvenile young adult fiction. Rowling drew inspirations come from the Lord of the Rings, but the writing style is very different. Some of the concepts are the same, but they have different tones and literary voices. But the of the Rings it's told more like a historical account or well-developed mythology, where Harry Potter is told more like a fairy tale or a bedtime story, that it gets processed darker and more complex. Last one is Exit AC. Just put an image. This is it. Thank you. This is my e-portfolio.